3 new colorways ng Cloud Nova Form 2. At yung isa dito ay very special.
Wow!
Tara, unbox na natin. Once again, this is Lex, your sneaker specialist of collector finds. First, what we have here is the Cloud Nova Form 2 in Truffle Dew colorway. So dito makikita natin very beige and neutral color lang siya. So perfect to sa mga gusto ng mga low-key lang at skin tone colorway. Yan. Second colorway, it's the Pearl Black colorway. Dito makikita natin, pagka-beige pa rin pero more into black na siya. So contrast na yung color blocking niya. So perfect din to para sa hilig sa black. Ayaw madumihan yung mga shoes nila. For the last colorway, actually it's a collaboration pair between Revolve and Forward. And Cloud Nova Form 2. Since this is a collaboration pair, dito nila nilagay yung name ng store, Revolve and Forward. So ito ay isang US retailer brand. This is a collaboration pair. They make it special kaya ginawa nilang medyo may pagka-gold yung mga logos here sa pang, dito, and dito. So ginawan pa nila ng extra laces here. Para kung ayaw mo ng white, you can swap it to green one. Kung gusto mo ng clean looking pair, pwede to. Kasi napaka-classy ang dating niya pag suot mo na to. The On Cloud Nova Form is perfect for lifestyle sneakers. At dito sa tatlong colorway, alin dito yung pinaka-favorite mo? Comment below. At kung gusto mo na ito, meron to sa Collector Finds. So make sure i-message mo na sila bago ka pa maubusan.